Hello and welcome to Berthon on this beautiful day in Leamington. I have the pleasure of showing you over this Cobra 9.5 Nautique rib. For those of you that don't know Cobra, they have been building family adventure ribs successfully for over 30 years. They have dealers across the UK, Europe and even as far as Mexico. And due to their attention to detail and build quality, they also build super yacht tenders. They manufacture and design all takes place at their facility in Christchurch, and they are fanatical about their clients' needs. The hulls are made from GRP, and on this model we have a twin chime system that cleverly directs water down rather than sideways. This is the effect of propelling the hull forward in the interest of speed and economy. Now, as you can see, the owner has kept her on a Versadock, and therefore she has the advantage of never being anti-fouled and has spent little time in the water. The Versadock system is easy to use, and there is no better way to keep a rib. There will be an opportunity to buy the Versadock if you are interested, so do let us know. This rib was built in 2018 and was displayed in the 2019 Dusseldorf Boat Show. She is in new condition with only 4.3 hours on her single D6 370 engine. Silvertex upholstery throughout. It's really hard wearing and comfortable. These tubes are made from Hypalon in military grey, and they have a carbon effect. So you have guide ropes here, midships, both port and starboard. Lots of places to hang on to. As we head up forwards, we have seating for the more adventurous. So comfortable seating for 3. We have this teak step here that is useful for disembarking from the bow. We also have a cleat there with a couple of fairleads. So under this forward cushion, we've got access to the windlass. And it's a 7.5 kilo stainless steel Bruce anchor. It's got an electric windlass with remotes both here and at the helm. We've got 30 meters of galvanized chain, and this boat weighs 2,400 kilos, so she's well over spec'd. So another suicide seat in front of the helm. Again, plenty of handrails. Under this locker we have a day head. So we've got a chemical loo, we've got a sink with tap, and just behind that access panel is all the wiring, which I have to say is a work of art. Good solid gas struts for all these lockers. You can see I'm doing everything with one hand. So good solid handrails around the helm as well, really important, just keeping your crew safe. These helm chairs have integrated shock absorbing system that is neatly hidden. And again, this was designed in-house, and credit to Cobra. The helm is simply laid out with a VHF, Garmin plotter, AIS, an offshore steering compass, and we have the Volvo multifunction display for all your engine calculations. There we have a Fusion sound system, and also the remote to the windlass. So there's speakers both at the helm and to the aft seating. Look at the sun pad just above the engine hatch there. The stainless pole aft is also a ski hook, so it's a good height for water skiing or wakeboarding. So we have a leafed table. which slots away really well. Again, I'm going to do this with one hand. Just to show you how easy it is. Again, it's credit to the fit and finish of this boat. It really is a high standard. We have easy access to the battery isolator switches, so you can come straight on board and get going. So you've got good seating for 6. And I really like the dark blue trim that you see there on the upholstery. You'll see that detailing around the boat. It's really, really nice. Good oversized latches there, and in here we have a fridge. So good use of space. Fit all the essentials in there. Okay, I'm going to show you into the engine bay now. It's a nice easy switch on the dash. Electric hydraulic hatch is completely silent. It's amazing. And you can see there's a good amount of soundproofing. Although I've not been out on the boat, I plan to once these restrictions have lifted, but I'm sure she's very quiet underway. So we've got good access here. Obviously this is the Volvo D6 370. So it's 370 horsepower. It's an inline 6-cylinder diesel engine rated at 3,500 RPM. So it's turbocharged and supercharged. Again, she's only run 4.5 hours. The quoted top speed is 46 knots. Yeah, brilliant engine. So the boat's available now here at Berthon, ready to go for your pleasure.